Hello friends, here we have another model of smart helmet version 2 without GSM and GPS, but between helmet and bike there is a wireless connection which is established via this RF sensor. Particular this part is for your vehicle. Here we have connected a dummy power supply for 12 volt from 12 volt adapter, but your side you will use 12 volt battery which is available in your bike. We have noted all the cables: 12 volt red, black, ground for battery, while for ignition control we have 3 cables. White is common wire which is center point. It will work as a relay. Common, normally open terminal of relay, normally closed terminal of relay. So you have to connect these 3 wires for ignition control. It depends on your bike or a scooter. If you are using Activa, there will be another setting that you have to connect common and normally open to ignition. So when helmet is not in range or any type of error, alcohol or anything else, this will be these 2 cables will be connected, so Activa will switch off. And in Passion or other bikes you have to use common and normally connected terminals. You can take assistance of bike mechanic, while the denoted wire, which is not notified with any tap, it is antenna coming out from RF receiver, and here is a fan. In case you are not able to connect this terminal or you are not able to take bike with you, this fan or a motor will elaborate as a bike or scooter engine. So if the fan is on, you can understand that bike's ignition is on, enabled. When is off, bike ignition is off. In the second part we are using another enclosure. It has built-in battery. Here is a on-off switch. The light is blinking. It means it is sending data to a receiver unit. It has internal battery of 3.7 volt. Just like our mobile phones, you can connect your mobile phone charger here to charge it. If it is discharged, this light will be slower or weaker. Then you can connect any Android phone, B type or a normal type charger here and supply it. Hope you can find the red LED inside, which is light up. When the battery will be full, this light will turn to blue. Inside helmet we have switch to enable this infrared LED. Here we have infrared LED. When you start the switch, this switch will enable the infrared LED and alcohol sensor. When you start the project first time after a long time, means half an hour, 1 or 2 days, it will take some time, 3 or 4 minutes, because it has built-in heater. It will take time to be in heat. After heating 2 or 3 minutes, it will work accurately. Infrared sensor have 2 parts. The white part is transmitter while black part is receiver. When a person wears a helmet, the switch will be enabled by weight of this helmet, so it will be pushed. So when this is pushed, infrared and alcohol will be activated. We are not going to activate them all the times due to battery operated device. So when the switch is not pressed, they will not get started and power will be saved. When a person wears a helmet, the switch will be pressed by its weight, helmet's weight, and this infrared LED will light up. You cannot show in your bare eyes, with your bare eyes. You can use mobile. When you press the switch, it will start. If a person has wear that helmet, his ear will come here in this place. So it will detect that the person has wear the helmet, not only press the switch, and alcohol sensor will get the alcohol level information from his breath. If there is no such amount of alcohol and a person continue wear the helmet, then it will send on data with RF transmitter. Here we have transmitting antenna to this unit. Then the unit will light up with blue light and fan will start, and normally open and normally close will work as their name. Let us start the project. Here we are using power supply 12 volt. You can hear the buzzer. The helmet is not in a range and not start. Now we will start the helmet. Monitor the buzzer speed. If helmet is in range, buzzer will beep fast. If helmet is not in range or power is off, speed will be decreased. So thus you can identify that buzzer is beeping high speed or low speed. Now we will press the switch. It is getting the information, but off command is received. After every 200 milliseconds, it will send another command. We must have to wear the helmet. So we will do just like. We have pressed the switch with our hand and placed hand like this. As we remove hand from IR sensor, it is red, fan is stopped. Now it will start. Buzzer will stop. Fan is on. Same procedure will be taken place with alcohol sensor.